everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I am stuffing my cash envelopes from July the 29th through the 4th. Gosh, can't believe it's already August. Crazy. It is. I think August is the hottest month of the year in Arkansas. We have high humidity and we are just, it is miserable outside. So let me know down in the comments where you guys are watching from and what your summer weather has been like, because for us it's just been absolutely miserable. It's been miserably hot and it's just going to get worse this month. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have my cash envelopes here that I'm going to be stuffing, and then I have the number that has been picked for the 100 envelope challenge. So let's go ahead and count this so you guys know how much I'm stuffing this week. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90. So $190 for the week. Now, as always, we are going to stuff an envelope for the 100 envelope challenge. Whatever number is picked, I take out of my grocery budget. And I have a treat again this week because my grandbaby AJ is actually picking this week's number, which is really exciting. So I'm going to insert a quick clip of her doing that and I'll be right back. Hey guys, it is time to pick a number for the 100 envelope challenge. I have my grandbabies here, Kenna and AJ. Say hello.
Hello.
And this week, for the week of July 29th, it is AJ's turn to pick a number out of the bag. So AJ, will you pick Gigi a number out of this bag? No peeking, no peeking. Pick a good one.
Suspicious.
Suspicious? You're silly.
Suspicious.
What'd you pick? 41. Great job. Thanks so much. Give me a high five, AJ. Awesome. All right, so now you know the number is 41. Very exciting. So thank you, AJ, for picking those numbers. I am excited to have a low number or lower number this week. So here is our envelope. And I'm going to put, let's do 40, 45, because again, I don't have any ones. So we're going to stuff 45 this week. So 20, 40, and 5. And it actually works out better to do it this way because I'm saving a little bit more than what is actually in the, intended for the envelope. I am going to stuff 45 in this envelope because I didn't get any ones this week. I have not been saving my $5 bills, but I'm still doing the $1 challenge, which is not spending any $1 bills. But so 41 is the number for this week, but we're putting 45 in there. So that was fun. And oops. Next is mow the lawn. And this is actually not going to get stuffed this time because the grass hasn't grown and we have not spent the money that's in here. So won't be stuffing it this week, but it will be stuffed again the following week. So nothing goes in here. Then we have my daughter Carol Ann, and I'm going to give her $80 this week. So 20, 40, 60, 80. She has started her next clinical rotation. And of course, she's got a lot of driving that she's doing. So the $80 that I give her, really 60 of it is going towards gas, and then 20 of it is for spending. So that's for her. And then my spending envelope, I actually didn't take out any cash this time for spending. There was something that I wanted to buy. I needed my debit card because it was an online purchase. So I didn't take out cash for this, but for my car, I did have $10 allocated for gas, and I had 10 from the last week, so another 10 is going to give me 20, and that means I can put some gas in my car, and this will give me about a half a tank, so that's 20. And then last but certainly not least is my grocery envelope. So it gets everything else. And for groceries this week, we'll have 20, 40, 55. So a good bit of money for groceries. We're still trying to eat out of the pantry, and we don't really need much in terms of groceries. We're trying to stock up on meat and not so much all the side items because we have plenty of that on hand. So may not seem like a lot for groceries, but it'll go pretty far for us. It's just me and my daughter, and we make do with whatever the number is each week. So that is everything, guys. Again, the 100 envelope challenge number this week was 41. Thanks again to AJ, who picked this week's number for her GG. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.